Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. In this video, I will show an interesting platform that you might not be familiar. So normally, if you want to run a Python program, workflow, then you need to run it offline in your laptop, or you need a virtual machine to run it online in the cloud. So this platform changes everything. Let's say you want to run a web scraping file or a script to scrap information from a website. Then you don't have to run it locally. You don't need expensive virtual machine to host the code and run it. Instead, you can come and deploy it in this platform. It's known as Apify. So I will leave the link to Apify platform in my description and pinned comment. You can check it out. You will get credits there. That is around $5 you get to use various actors in the platform. As you can see here, I'm getting around $5 every month. So you also will get that. So I will show you what you can do with it. So let's say you want to scrap some information from some website, or there are not only scrapping, there are various other use cases. There are thousands of use cases actually. So now let's say you want to go to Google Maps. Okay, this is Google Maps. In this Google Maps, I want to find out all the particular business in an area. Let's say pub. Okay, so this is a search term. Then I want to search in Kannur, Kerala, with number of places to extract around 50. So here I can put the language. Then I can configure a lot of things here. So this is one of the actor. So there are a lot of actors like this. So this is one of the popular actor there. And I want to get all this information in an Excel. If I want to get the reviews, I can get the reviews also. So here I can add multiple places like search terms if I want. Then I'll just say save and start. Here it will show you the cost. It's $4 for 1000 scrapped places. I'm just putting it. Let's say I'll just put 10 just to show you. Then I say save and start. Then what it will do is that based on whatever information I have given it, it will search the Google Maps and extract that information and give me the output in the form of Excel output. You can get it as JSON, you can get it in various format, the output. You see this? These are the restaurants I get from there. I get the phone number also, it is scrapped. Now if I want, I can get the review also. So this is the URL of it. Now I didn't select the review, I guess that's why it's not giving me. Otherwise I would have got the review also from there. How many reviews? Yeah, see, this review count also is there, and total score also it has mentioned. Here I can go there and click on export. So I can get it in various format, the export. So similarly, there are there are Apify actors that can scrap YouTube. So this is YouTube scrapper. So I have not used it in the past. Let's see how it works. Okay, so scrap YouTube search result using a search term, or directly input a video channel or results page to search. So you can search, so maximum videos per search item, maximum number of shots per search item. So based on that, it's gonna search and give me all the videos in YouTube. Let's say I want, this is a search term. So based on that, it will search and give me. So if I put video or channel, then it will search in that to give me the. So there's an alternative YouTube API with no limits or quotas. Let's say you might have heard of that Landsat, which is a tool for generating Earth images. So if I am not seen, I can just show it to you. You see this? It creates those images like this. So I want to see in YouTube which all videos are there about this. Okay, so I just put this keyword here and I'll just say maximum videos per search item and say save and start. That's it. Now it is gonna search YouTube and scrap that information about that particular videos in YouTube and provide me with the output. Okay, so let's see what it comes up with. Okay, data in harmony, NASA's harmonized Landsat and Sentinel-2 project. So it has given me all the videos with that and the number of comments. In this way I can get the output in the format that I want. Now if I want to get information about Instagram, then I can go there and put Instagram scraper. So this is Instagram scraper. So it scraps and downloads Instagram posts, profiles, places, hashtags, photos and comments. So let's say this is one Instagram site. Yeah, so this is one Instagram site. Now if I want to get some information from it, content to scrap, I'm just saying just scrap post. I want to get the 10 post from there, then I can put the filter date and I can just run it. So here you can choose various things, whether it is profile, reels, mentions, comments. If I want to get the post, top 10 posts in this website, in the Instagram account, okay, so then I just say save and start, then it's going to scrap that information and provide it to me. Okay, let's run it. So it is coming up with the results. While that runs, I will show you few other actors also. Okay, so it is giving me the results. See this is the post it has scrapped from that website, and it shows the number of likes, number of first comments, hashtags and all those things. So this will be useful if you want to do marketing, if you want to check your competitors. Now I will show you another actor. So if you want to analyze multiple location for a business to find out whether it's suitable to start a business there, then you can go to Google Map and put various location where you want to, which is a potential location for your starting your business. Then you can put anything. Let's say you can put a swimming pool. If you want to set up a swimming pool within 1000 meters, and you can just say run it, save and start, then it will check those location where how suitable it is for starting a swimming pool there, and it will give you the output. So as you can see, it is fetching that information from various website like Overpass API, and it will find out what is the best location among that to start your swimming pool. Okay, so here it is again trying to get the information from that websites. After all the things, it is gonna give me the output saying that, hey, look at this is the best place for your swimming pool. Okay, so let's see how it works. It is running. Now once it is run, it will show me the final output. Okay, so similarly there is one more Apify actor. This is for posting something into your WordPress account. Okay, so if you want to post something into your WordPress account, then you can just mention the website from where you want to get the information. Then using OpenAI, it is gonna rewrite it for you. So you can choose the model. If you want, you can give the API key, or otherwise it will use the platform API key in the platform. Then you can mention the WordPress category where you want to post, and you can mention the application password of your WordPress account. Then if you click on run, it is gonna go to that particular website, it is gonna read it, then it is gonna rewrite that for you using GPT model. Then it is gonna post it in the website. So this is the website I mentioned. You can put your website and you can mention your WordPress application password. Now if you want to generate a featured image, you can toggle this on, and it's going to even generate an image for you. It will help you rewrite that entire article and post it in your WordPress. So that is cool, right? So now you see this, it has, for the other actor, it has given me the output, which is the worst location. So let's see. So in this way, there are thousands of other actors that is available. So this is a low footfall traffic, it has moderate foot traffic. So it is mentioning all those things and giving me the information from here. So in this way you can utilize it this tool known as Apify. I hope it's useful, and subscribe for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much.
Thanks for tuning in with me. Glad you're part of this community. Hit the button down below, let our little family grow. Like and subscribe, yeah, don't you go. See you on the next episode, let's start the